my channel. I'm Fabiola, if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. And I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links will be listed down there below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I'm going to be talking about the PMD, the Personal Microdermabrasion. I have been using this for 4 weeks now, and honestly, my skin has been loving it. Not to mention that when I apply my foundation, it just goes on so smooth. So today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about it, how I use it, and then give you my final thoughts and opinion about this, if it's something you should get. But before we get started, I did want to mention that PMD and Octoly were so kind enough to gift this to me, and I am just beyond grateful and so excited that I got to try this out. I know this has been out for a few years now, but I never tried it before. And to be honest with you, at first I was a little bit scared just because my skin is very dry and very sensitive. But to my surprise, I am loving it. So let's go ahead and get started with what this PMD does and the benefits about using it. So with the PMD, you get the same results as a professional in-office treatment, and it's only a fraction of a cost. You know that professional microdermabrasion treatments can be very, very pricey, and I know that for a fact because my mom has had them done and she has spent so much money on those. This year is only a fraction of a cost, plus you can do it in the comfort of your home any day that you want to, and you don't even have to leave to get this done in an office. Plus, it has some amazing benefits. Basically, it also helps to remove any dead skin cells. It removes the dead skin. It helps with acne scars, enlarged pores, fine lines and wrinkles, all those things that my skin has. But I have been using this for 4 weeks and I have seen some incredible results. Like, I am like amazed. I haven't had my skin this soft in the longest time, and even though my skin is already like sensitive, I didn't feel any like discomfort or anything, which I was very excited for. And one thing that's also great about this is that when you exfoliate your skin, it allows your skincare to kind of go deeper in the skin and work better. So for me, it's very important because even though you're spending tons of money on a skincare product, cream or serum, whatever, if you're not exfoliating your skin, it's just literally sitting on the top layer of the skin. It's not like penetrating deep inside, and it's not going to work as well. So I think this is like super important, and I am like loving this. So let me show you what comes inside the box so that way you know what to expect. So when you get your PMD, you will get a box like this and your PMD inside. I did get mine in pink. I love pink, but it does come in many other colors. So the PMD already comes with this cap, and this smaller cap here can be used for your face. It also comes with a larger cap that can be used for your body, such as like your arms, your legs, your knees, anywhere that you may have like bumps and rough patches. So the part right here already comes with a little disc, and it's a white disc. This here doesn't give you any result. Basically, it's kind of like a training disc, and it's recommended that you use this white training disc in your arm right here prior to using it on your face, so that way you're not scared and don't get like surprised. So you want to use it here in your arm just to test it out. After you test it out and see that everything's okay and you're not getting any reactions, then you want to move on to the next one, which would be the gray one. So inside the box, you do get 2 of each. So you get 2 gray, you get 2 blue, 2 green, and 2 brown ones. The brown ones are the strongest ones, and you don't want to start with those. So you want to start with the lowest one, and then you can increase once you know that that is not going to like irritate your skin. It is recommended that you use it once a week, and you should see results within like 6 to 8 weeks. I have been using it for 4 weeks and I have already seen amazing results, so I can't wait to see what my skin will feel like and look like in a couple more weeks. But basically inside the box, it gives you the little chart right here with the colors. It tells you, you know, the intensity for extra sensitive skin or intense. You don't want to go the intense way for the first time. So the little discs itself are replaceable, and you have to replace them every 3 to 4 uses, but they're very inexpensive and you can just get them on their website or any beauty supply store. So also in the box, you do get a power cord, and all you have to do is plug it in and it's ready to be used. So the PMD has 2 settings. It has the lower setting or the highest setting. I have been using it in the low settings for the past 4 weeks, but I think after I move on to the 5th week, I will increase it to the higher settings. So when you turn it on, it makes this noise. And this here is the white disc, which is the training disc that I wanted to show you. And this is what the PMD does. So basically it kind of like suctions up your skin. And you should get like a little bit of white residue on the skin after you try it. Don't be alarmed. So that white residue, that's actually your dead skin. At first I was like, what is that white thing on my face? And that is dead skin that just literally came off your face. And that's what's going to allow your skin to feel smoother, more radiant. You're getting like new skin that is just hidden underneath. So I am so excited. Let me go ahead and show you guys how I use it and then give you my final results. So before you use your PMD, you want to make sure that your face is clean and dry with no creams or lotions, because otherwise it's not going to work. So your face has to be completely dry and clean. You want to make sure that prior to using this, you test it out in your arm with the white disc. After you have done that and it's okay, you can go ahead and move on to the next disc. The one that I'm using is the gray one. So you want to start off by pulling your skin tight. This will just help the device to move even more smoothly and glide over your skin. And you want to move it quickly across the skin in an upward motion. You want to make sure that you do not go over the same area more than once. After you're completely done with one side, you can move on to the other side. So the nose part is a little bit tricky for me because I don't have that much skin around my nose. After you're completely done with the entire treatment, you want to go ahead and wash your face with cold water, wash the cap and filter, and you should be all set to go. And after I washed off my face just felt incredible. So overall, I couldn't be any more happier with the PMD. I really love it, and I am very excited that I got to try it out. Like I said, I can't wait to try it for the next few weeks and see the results. I did have like lots of acne scars here around the chin area, and those have definitely diminished. They also feel smoother because even though I had them and they were just there, every time I would apply my makeup, I could see the bumps and I could feel them, and that was just kind of driving me insane. But now they feel smooth, and I just love that about this PMD. And I also love the fact that my skincare products are just penetrating better and working so much better than before. So I do highly recommend this. Like I said, this is so much better than going to getting a treatment in the office. Way more inexpensive, and you're getting the same results. So if you're looking to get something like this or any kind of, treatments, I would definitely look into getting a PMD. It's definitely worth it. I'm going to leave you all the links and details and where to get it down there below. I really hope you found my video helpful, and I will see you all next time. Bye.